See what we got here. Mostly 4/4 walnut. 5/4 actually on those two right there. Rest of them are 4/4. That one don't look too bad. 7 3/4 on the width. It's a decent looking board. Let's cut this one down to size, run it through the molder, and see how it looks. Tell you what, friends, I need to build 2 shop carts for both sides of this machine for stacking boards on. I need to get on that sooner than later. Just the side cutters. What are we looking at right now? Oh, they're in good shape. They're out of the way. I'm only going to clean up the top and the bottom of these boards. I'm not really concerned right now with the sides. I put up a video this morning on Instagram showing this molder cleaning up some walnut. Somebody asked in the comments, I can't remember who it was, can this take the twist out of a board? It can take the twist out of a board, but if the twist is pretty bad, you might have to run it through here 2 or 3 times. Depends on how bad it is. If it's not too bad, 1 pass would get it. All right, guys, something else you want to do on these molders is make sure you're going to give this machine a good chance to have success on flattening your boards. And what I mean by that is do a little inspection here on each piece before it goes through. Right now, it's not moving very much at all. There's a little bit of a rock right there, a little bit of a twist, but not much at all. So that's a good reference face right there to send it through. If you check out the other side, check that out. Got a lot of cupping going on right there and a lot of movement. I would not want to send this board through like that. Give this machine the best chance for success as you can. And that just takes a second to do a little inspection on that. All right, friends, check this out. This is my Facebook Marketplace find of the week right here. And I've been preaching about these for a long time, and I just came across another good one. So this right here, friends, is another reason to check Facebook Marketplace 2 or 3 times a day for these old metal cabinets. I picked this one up the other day for $40, guys. $40. Heavy duty, all the drawers are here. Sometimes you'll find them and it will be missing drawers. Look how deep they go, look how wide. Really good find here, friends. Limited rust here on the top. Everything's in good shape. Not bad for $40. I tell you, friends, when it comes to shop organization, these things right here are hard to beat, guys. And they're out there. There's thousands of them out there. You just got to find them. So we're going to take a measurement here because the only thing I do not like about this cabinet is the height of it. I'm getting older and I want to bend over less, to be honest with you. So I think I need to build me a base about 2 foot tall so I don't have to bend over as far to reach the bottom drawers. See what we got over here. I think I have a decent amount of dimensional 4x4s left over from a past project. Oh yeah, there's a bunch in here. There's 6 right there, and they're already 4 feet tall. Perfect length. I think what I'll do is cut these down just a little bit and build some cribbing and use some log screws to connect everything. That will be a good use for all these short 4x4s. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them. This will be a good use for them. Guys, what do you all think? I know it's overkill for some cribbing for a little metal cabinet with drawers, but I had a bunch of 4x4s that were too short to do anything with. Just made a good use of them, and I ran out, so I did one more layer of 2x4s on top of that. This should be stout enough for anything I put in those drawers. Let's install it and see how it looks.